this is part 2 of the game development. So yeah, we just defined the amount of universes we already cleared. So now we have to do for I in range UC minus 100. I think that might work. Let me actually try. Let me just print, I don't know, gisse. Let's see if that works. Continue your journey. Yes. Oh yeah. Wait, that actually will allow it? Really? What if I just... I don't even... what just happened? Did it just break? Oh yeah, I should probably close out that. Yeah. Probably. That too. Anyway, if we just go and CMD Temere continue, it doesn't do anything. Why doesn't it do anything? Oh, I know what it's doing. I got my math wrong. It's 100 minus int UC. Alright, that should be the problem fixed, maybe? Gisse. Yes, alright. Now, we just got to, do the combat. So, so, a combat thing will be, first we have to define the universe. So, uniname is equal to random word dot generate random word random dot randint 3 2 8 should be acceptable. And then that's a universe name. Now I have to figure out how many rooms there are. I'm thinking rooms can be anywhere from 3 rooms to 12 rooms. 4 rooms to 12 rooms. So, room num is equal to random.randint 4 through 12. Yeah, that's room number. And, if room num is less than or equal to 6, then, camel case, unisize. Let's actually make this camel case too. Unisize, or I think it's camel case. Or is camel case the one where the second one's capital? I don't know. I think it might be snake case. I don't know. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. Unisize is equal to small. Elif room num is greater than or equal to 10. Unisize is equal to large. Else room num is equal to medium. So we're not actually going to tell the person how many rooms there are. We're just going to tell them what, like, which one of these vague descriptions of it is. And race name is equal to random word dot generate random word random dot randint 3 to 8. And then we have to print universe dot format uniname print encounters dot format room num. So the code will the code will describe these encounters as room names, but to the player they'll know them as encounters. And then we'll print race dot format race name, and then input, so it doesn't spam out hundreds at once, because I think that would break a couple things. Anyway, continue your journey. Yes. Name Renotum is not defined. Okay. Random dungeon, random word, generate random word. Right here. Alright, random.randint. Let's try this again. Temere. Continue your journey. Yes. Universe. Idru encounters medium race Esnishix. Alright, what if we do it again? Nefiltors encounters 11. I'm sorry, what? Room number. Uni size. Let's not do room num. Let's do uni size. Yes, please. That was a small mistake. Sorry. Temere. Continue your journey. Yes. Universe Steward counters. Or actually, we should change that to universe size. Race Pismil. That sounds pretty cool. Anyway, universe size. There we go. And now I have to do the actual combat. So let's print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And alright. And then we'll print damage. So this is your damage. So what we gotta do is we gotta go to here, we gotta do new text document player damage.txt, and let's write this as 10. Player damage player health.txt, and this is equal to 100. Player player damage, player defense, and defense I think will make it a percent of how much damage is deflected away. So let's have that at 2. So damage, defense, and health. Alright. Let's make a use time sort of thing. So player time, and that's equal to 100. And text document, not rich text document, no. Delete that. No. Delete. Let's make a player use time, and that will be 20. And I'll explain how all this is done. So yeah, prints that out, and then it goes fh is equal to open player damage. Let's copy that, and then right here, and now you have to manually switch these over again, and again, and then reading. PDMG is equal to fh.read, fh.close, and then we copy and paste that 5 times, I think. So that's damage, health, defense, use time, time. Okay. Player defense, player health, player time, and then finally player use time. And now player, so put pt ph pdef. Alright, and now player damage is equal to dot format dot format what? Right, yeah, pdmg Print player defense, that's equal to dot format pdef. Print player health, and that's equal to dot format ph. And now that gets to the confusing part. We have to figure out how many moves we can make in the time. So our use time and total time we can use. So our use time is what is our use time? Yeah, our use time is 20 and our total time is 100. So we have to divide 100 by 20, and that will give us 5, and then we have to change that to int because it always comes out to floats. And then yeah, and normally, and then yeah, we just round it first so that it doesn't have a stroke. And round that, and total number. You know, I'll figure it out as we go along. Anyway, so PM is equal to PT divided by PT, and let's do let's round that. And now print player moves is equal to dot format PM. Alright, and then we put one of these separators there, and then print, actually input, press enter to start combat. Alright, and let's actually import OS. OS is already imported. Okay, so before we do anything in the game, just to make it a bit easier to read, we'll do os.systemcls. What this does is it goes to our command terminal and writes it and puts the command cls, which will clear it will clear everything. I'll show you. .system. Alright, now we go to Temere, CMD. Let's hope this works, Temere. Continue journey, yes. See? Alright, so now we don't have anything up there. And we have a thing. Unsupported operand. Okay, so we just gotta change those to int. Alright. int, pt, int, put. Alright. Continue journey. Universe. Wakubas. Universe size medium. Race Cogster. Player damage is 10. Player defense is 2. Player health is 100. And player moves is 5. Sweet. And what we're going to do after this is we're going to ask the player if they want to ask the player what they want to do. So, like, first move, attack. Oh crap, I spelled that all wrong. First move, attack. Second move, I don't know, heal. Yeah, and actually, if we're gonna do a heal thing, let's make, let's do, another one, which is, player power. And player power will be equal to 25. Actually, no, not 25, that's too overpowered. Literally too overpowered. Let's make that 15. And, PP, I guess. Equal to player power. And, player moves, so let's just copy that and write that right here as player power. And then we'll replace that with PP. And what that does is, if we decide to do heal, we'll heal that player power amount. So if that's 15 and our health is like, I don't know, 85, then we'll heal to that amount. Alright, and that'll be it for this episode. So, not episode, I keep saying episode, this isn't a TV show. But, oh yeah, we need to test it, of course. CMD, Temere. Continue journey, yes. Universe Upinagaga, or Goga. Universe size is small, race Muhovat. Player damage is 10, player defense is 2. Player health is 100, player moves is 5, player power is 15. Sweet. And, yeah, that'll be it. So, yeah, thanks for watching. If you, watched the entire episode, that was very kind, very nice of you. But, yeah, that'll be it. So, have a nice day, See you around.